Hello, grade 6. Good morning. It's Imam. Today we have a lesson number 4, the last chapter, talking about the new title, Shape of Data Distribution. The lesson for today, little hard because we have about 4 vocabulary more. Okay, I will explain about that, and I will inshallah after that I will give you example about it. Inshallah we will understand it. Why vocabulary today we have the distribution, symmetric distribution, cluster, gap, and peak. What's the mean cluster? What's the mean gap? What's the mean peak? Symmetry? I will tell you. Cluster, this means that many value, many numbers in the group. Yeah. Data that are grouped closely together. This means cluster. Gap, group without numbers. Okay. The numbers that have no data value. Okay. Peak, the most frequently, like the mood in the past. It's easy. And symmetry, you know about this vocab. It means the left side of distribution looks like the right side. Now I will go to the next page and I will give you example about to understand it. Now we see here number lines and we see many value. I will clear all of it. You see this number line and I have many value. Yeah, we will start. See, geometric distribution. There problem in my battery. I will continue now. Geometric distribution. We see number 11. We see here 11 to 14, and we have 11 to 8. So the value here, the left side like the right side. So this geometric distribution, yes. Now, what's the mean peak? Peak, you will look for the most frequently. Look, number 10 have 1, 2, 3, has 3 values. Number 11, 2. Number 12, 2. So what's the most frequently? Number 10. So the peak is number 10. It's very easy. What's the gaps? Gaps here, you see the area without x, like number 9. You see this number 9 without x. So this gap, and we have another gap here in 13 because it hasn't numbers, hasn't values. And what is the cluster? The cluster, you see, or where is the numbers grouped from 10 to 12? You see the numbers here from 10 to 12. I will clear all of it. You see these numbers from 10 to 12. It's grouped. Yeah, this cluster, the cluster from 10 to 12. The gaps, number 9, number 13, no values. What does this mean? Mean gap. And what is the peak? Peak number 10, because most frequently has a lot of the values. The more values, and now I will go to another to understand. So I will go to another example. Here we have, yeah, if I ask you where's the gap? The gap from 19 to 21. Yeah, because he knew no value. Yeah, it's easy. What's the peak? The peak number 22. Why? Because have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 x's. It's most frequently more than the numbers. Yeah. What's the cluster? I have two clusters here from. You see these numbers grouped from 22 to 25. What does this mean in the statistics? Cluster. And I have from 16 to 18. This cluster. Gap. Peak. This symmetric? No, because the numbers in the left, not the numbers in the right. I want you now, grade 6, to solve. I will clear now. We have here, I will go to the next page, here. Yeah, this example done. I will give you homework. I want to describe this. Number 3, page number 894. This homework for tomorrow. Please solve it and take photo and send to my account. Okay, I'm waiting you. Goodbye, grade 6. Goodbye.